Gates flyback, rope and racing, Super Win looking for the lead, Good Humor from the outside, Slim Princess around the outside now, showing speed is Enjoy the Flight, and passing before the judges stand is Super Win in front by half a length, Enjoy the Flight in the middle portion, Good Humor, then followed by Grand Sensation. Out straight they travel, Super Win leads by line, followed by Good Humor. And around the outside turn now is Enjoy the Flight, 4 lengths back, Slim Princess. And into the back they travel, Super Win leads by half a length. Here comes Enjoy the Flight now from the outside. A length coming up to Good Humor, 5 lengths back now, Grand Sensation. And in the middle portion now is Claim My Prize moving up. Tirad Pass is in 6th position. Inside the last 600, Super Win hanging on with a 3 lengths lead now. But here comes Good Humor, Enjoy the Flight. Grand Sensation, Long Nose also moving in. And towards the final turn, it's still Super Win leads by some 3 lengths. Followed now by Grand Sensation at the outside. Good Humor, Tirad Pass, Long Nose, New Golden City, but still Super Win. And finally, Super Win. Grand Sensation, Good Humor, Long Nose, Tirad Pass, and New Golden City for your Super 6.
19,781. Forecast 19.